Okay, hello. So today we're going to look at how to post a blog post onto your system. So you've logged in and you come to your dashboard here and you will go down the left hand side. Now here you can see lots of menu items and you're going to go to posts. Now here's where all of your blog posts, you'll see any blog posts that were previously created in here already and where you can add some new ones in. So first what you're going to do is go to add new. And this will get all loaded up for you. Okay, and we're going to title it. So we'll call her blog tests. We'll call it that. Now, down the side here, you have a few different options. So, as we work down, you can see that it's public. It's going to be published immediately, but you can change that. So you can publish it. You can write them and then save them for later to be published. You can stick it to the top of your blog, or you can have it pending review. You can also change the author. So, you can have admin or somebody else if they've got a thing in there. But we're under the test example site, so that's who's going to have written it. And then you can add categories. So if you want to be able to search through your blogs to find different things, you can categorize it here. So make it examples. And the same goes for tags. So you can tag it saying examples as a tag, whatever your tags are going to be. And then we'll go down here. So featured image. So this is the image that's going to go right across the top and the one that's going to show when it's off page. So in here you want to put an image. Now you have the option to upload an image there, or you can see if you've got one already. So say I'm going to use, oh, this looks nice. Let's use this one. Candles. That's the featured image. You can write a little excerpt of what you want to do. You can allow comments if you would like or not. There we go. So that's all the things that you can do here. And so then we're going to publish it if we're ready to publish. But if we're not, you can change that for another date. Okay. Talk about that. Now that it's published, we're going to go into this. Now, there's two options here. There's use default editor and there's use Divi builder. Now, if you have done a blog before and you've been used to using the default editor, you're welcome to do that. But we're going to use the Divi builder as this is going to give us lots more options and it's going to make a really nice page for you. So we'll use the Divi builder. That's going to load up. Hopefully. Here we go. Get this all loaded up. So we're then going to start building from scratch. And it'll give you the option here. So, oh, we're reloading again. I think I must have double clicked it. If you double click it, then you have to do it twice. Okay, so here is where we're going to make our content. So you can insert a row. So your row can be split into different columns here. So you can pick whichever one you want. So I'm just pick one column here. And then here you can add in various blocks. So you can add in some audio. You can add in a countdown timer. But the most common ones you're going to use are things like text, image, video. So we're going to say we would like to add in text. And that's going to bring up a builder here now. So it's going to ping it to the side so we can see what we're doing. So here it's quite similar to ones you've probably used before. So I'm going to write my title. So example, title, blog. Put it in there. And we'd like this to be our header. So I'm going to click down here. It's going to become the header. And I would like it in the center because it's going to be in the middle one. Fantastic. I'm going to click yes. So now that is there. So that's our featured image here. Now obviously it's quite a long one, so you maybe want to make your featured image a landscape photo so that it doesn't take up all the page. And you can see here it's got the date and examples. Now, depending on how your blog's set up, these may be turned off or on, and if you do want to change them, you can get in touch and we can do that for you. So you're going to put this here. Now, I want to add in the next part. So I'm going to do a new row, but this time I'm going to do 2 sections. And this side, I'm going to make it an image. So I'm going to put in, here's some soaps, since we're talking about soaps. So we're going to put that in there. And in this side, we're going to put in some text. So here's that barrier again, so your content goes there. So in here, we can put in blah, 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 blah. That'll go in there, that's lovely. I can spread that out to go alongside there. So that's looking really nice. And then maybe we're going to go down, and this time we're going to do the same again, but on this side we're going to put the text. So that side's going to go there. And on this side we might put the image. Image. So we're going to click that big square, and it's the same way as we did before. So you can upload a file here, or if you've already got them in the media library, you can pick one. So here's one I prepared earlier, and we're going to use this candle, homemade candle. So as you can see, you can build it up as you go. You can put videos in here instead if you prefer, or you can just do big blocks of text. Really is up to you what you put in here. This is your blog, it's your space to tell your story. So yeah, make it your own. And if you do have any questions along the way, you're always welcome to contact us. We're always here at hello@butteredlite.com. Please give us a shout and we'll do our best to assist you. But play around with it, give it a go. You can't break anything, hopefully. And if you do feel like it's not quite going right, just give us a shout and we'll do our best to assist you. But you've got this. Happy blogging!